roughly 100 people work at Flintshire Citizens Advice. 70 of those are volunteers. So without the volunteers, we wouldn't function. I believe that the local community hold us in really high regard. We have actually notice boards in our waiting rooms which we allow the clients, if they want to. There's pens, there's chalk. They can write down, you know, how happy they are with the service, or if they want anything changing or improving, and we get some amazingly positive feedback from people.
To say is that everything we're saying here is confidential.
I would be worried if funds were cut, because the demand for the service is huge. If we lost staff, then that would impact on volunteers being supervised and trained. Potentially, I guess, closing sessions where the public can access us for advice. So it would have a real impact. It would be a real worry. People need to channel their energy. If they want to make a change, come to us, go to the council, but make sure you get your voice heard.